Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm showing you how I make my sweet yellow rice. I've added 3 cups of tap water into a pot, 5 cardamom pods and some stick cinnamon. With that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of basmati rice. You can use any type of rice you use or prefer. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Stir slightly and bring to the boil. So you want your rice to cook for about 10 minutes. I usually cook my rice open pot. I don't use a lid while cooking at the beginning stages. So there you can see it's cooking away. And we're going to cook it until most of the water has evaporated, stirring now and then to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom. And you want your rice to look like this after about 10 minutes. Now we're going to pour the rice into a strainer or colander and rinse it under cold water. So I do this to remove most of the starch. Then I'm adding it back into the pot. One and a half teaspoons of salt or to your taste. 100 gram butter. 1/4 cup of sugar. Now these measurements you can adjust according to your taste or your preference. If you want it more sweeter, add more sugar, or less sweeter, add less water, add less sugar. Then I've added 1 cup of tap water again, covered my pot and put it on high heat. When the butter and sugar has melted, I turn the heat to low, to simmer, for approximately 5 minutes. Then I've turned my pot off completely, leave the lid on, and the extra water will evaporate while standing. So I usually leave my rice to stand for about 10-15 minutes before serving, and fluff it up with a fork before dishing. I hope you can enjoy making my recipe. Bye bye.